Welcome to our cooking center in the United States. My name is Chef Ferrer, and I want to introduce to you our new model of braising pan under pressure. It's unique, it's the only one in the world, and I want to show you today our Electrolux equipment, one of the best in the world, which one they're going to save you energy, they're going to give you more yield in your food, and we're going to cook something called carnitas. It's a Mexican, very tough pork, and we're going to see how we can tenderize it and how we can make it. That way you can see that you can cut your time and a half with production, low electricity or gas, whatever you choose, and efficiency. Thank you, and let's go see how we do it. We are here with our pressurized Electrolux braising pan, one of the kind. We're going to show you the facilities just to work with it and how it's constructed, a little bit about the temperature. I'm going to give you some ideas how to use this beautiful braising pan. You can see the construction is Electrolux high quality, and this braising pan is one of the kind because the most braising pan you have to have the hand model. This one is automatic, means you can make your stocks, you can make your soups, you can make your consommes, and you can regulate the temperature, and also you can regulate the speed on it. This is electric speed, and one of the greatest things is just in this braising pan, the most braising pans in the market, they only just turn to right here. Means you have to go inside and take your product out. These ones, they were designed over there by our chefs, and you can see that you can turn it what we call 90 plus, means they almost invert completely. That way you can take all the product and it's easy to remove. Well designed on the bottom, they got sensors, means you can shallow fry, you can deep fry, you can also do different things like rice, you can do beans, you can do hard meats like carnitas that we're going to do right now, which they are pork shoulders, and they need to take like 2 to 3 hours just to cook it. We want to cut the time in around 1 hour and 10 minutes, around 60 pounds of carnitas in one time. Means not only that we can cook on the bottom, but also we have inserts which one we can cook on the top of the machine. The inserts, they are made up over there to go on top. And what we can do, we can put on top chicken, we can be cooking on the bottom rice, we can be cooking lobster, calamaris on the top, vegetables and chicken together. Means, if we have to cook potatoes or some liquids that we design, we have the base plate, which one is incorporated in the bottom of our braising pan. This has allowed to us just to cook over there without the contact of the machine. Means we have an insert that goes on the top, and we have a base plate on the bottom, which one they are accessories that you can ask for. Not only that, the construction is very simple, and you can be remove it and easy to wash. We're going to tilt it back, that way you can see our panels over there where they are very easy to operate. Usually we cook in low temperature cooking, means we will be cooking at a temperature around 375 degrees, 190 centigrade, or we can cook at low temperature like a 230 degrees Fahrenheit or 110 degrees centigrade. And this part here, present here, we got time, temperature, and the temperature we can see it just right here. The next indication here is the time that you're going to put it under pressure when you are cooking. The third one right here is a military time. We use it just to preheat our braising pan, just in case like in the morning you have to preheat all your equipment. You can program the machine, and if you want to come over and operate at 7 o'clock in the morning, you can program the military time at 6:30 in the morning, and when your chef, cooks, all operators of the machine come over, the machine is ready for working on it. We have 3 different buttons here on the bottom. One is an eye, which one they tell us what is the temperature if somebody else want to see and check it out the temperatures on it. The second one is a soft button, which one we use it for best, we use it for demi-glasses, we use it for reduction, creams, and different things like that. We don't want to scorch the bottom of the pan. The third one is incorporated with the HACCP program, means they can be connected to your office and you can integrate the HACCP program and all our products in Electrolux, they can be incorporated with the system in every single machine. That way you can have the perfect conditions over there of cooking. The top part, they have controls here, which one they're going to lock the machine and they're going to bring it down. We want to lock it for security. It means when we have all our levels facing one way, it's open, which one we see it right now here. It means we're going to close it for security one, when you close the second one, and when it gets under pressure, we will tilt the top to put it under pressure. The top part is insulated, that we're going to have residual heat and we can cook in a perfect forms in the kitchen. Everything is waterproof, means they can be washed every day, and it's easy just to open up the same way. Under pressure, they have 6 psi for a square inch. Means we got a lot of pressure, but they cook in low temperatures. We cooking around 230 Fahrenheit or 110 centigrade. Means to open up, we will open first this part to take all the steam out, which will come over in the back part here. Second part, we will open up the top part here to take the remaining pressure. If the pressure is still inside our braising pan, the operator, the chef or the cook will now be able to open up the machine. The third process will be the lock mechanism, which one you can hear right now, and we recommend always to open up just side over there for the remaining steam that will come out from the machine. They have a silicone gasket, which one they allow us over there to make the machine pressurized to the maximum. Thinking about production, thinking about electricity or gas, whatever you choose to incorporate. This is 40 gallons. We got different types of braising pans. But thinking about you cutting time, you get more yields for the product, and the third thing, more important than everything, you're going to get an excellent product, which one your customers are going to be satisfied. Now I want to invite you just to see how we make our carnitas. Something that takes 3.5 hours, we're going to make it in 1 hour and 10 minutes. It means we cut in the time and we get more yield and more efficiency in our kitchen. I hope you enjoy us for carnitas.